TDA Rule 66, Dead Hands in Mucking and Stud. I'll read the official rule once, then explain how it's applied in poker tournaments. In stud poker, if a player picks up the upcards while facing action, the hand is dead. Proper mucking in stud is turning down all upcards and pushing them all forward, face down. This rule addresses a unique aspect of stud poker, where some cards are dealt face up. Because upcards provide public information, improper handling of them while action is pending can compromise the integrity of the hand. In practice, if a player gathers their exposed upcards while there's still betting action pending, the hand is immediately declared dead. Players must leave their upcards properly displayed until action is complete. When mucking, all upcards must be turned face down and pushed forward together. Under TDA Rule 66, stud players must leave upcards properly displayed during action and follow correct mucking procedure to preserve transparency and fairness.